Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel Corporate Connection. Before we start coding today, let me quickly explain what you are seeing on the screen right now. This image is announcing our free exclusive hands-on coding workshop which happens every Friday at 6:30 p.m. In this workshop, we are learning a lot of things, starting from hands-on coding to having to actually do a project. One of the easiest and most beginner-friendly machine learning algorithms as well. And today's topic is fitness prediction using Python. This is not just a theory, this is live coding step by step with real projects and a live Q&A session where you can ask doubts directly. The meeting link is available in the description box and pinned comment, so don't miss it. Alright, now that you know what today's session is about, let's officially begin. kNN for fitness prediction. Today's project is fitness prediction using k nearest neighbors. We will build a simple system that looks at a person's height and weight and predicts whether they are fit or not fit. This project is perfect for absolute beginners, first machine learning project, and anyone afraid of math. No complex formulas, just logic. What we'll build together. In this session, we will create our own small data set, train a kNN model, predict fitness for a new person, understand how accuracy works, try different values of k. By the end, you'll feel confident saying, "Yes, I have built an ML project." What is k nearest neighbors? kNN is a supervised machine learning algorithm. It works on one simple idea. Similar people have similar results. It is, if most nearby people are fit, you are probably fit. If most nearby people are not fit, you are probably not fit. kNN doesn't memorize formulas. It memorizes examples. Setting up your Python environment. For today's project, we need Python, NumPy, and Scikit-learn. We can use Google Colab or Jupyter Notebook or any Python IDE. Don't worry, I'll explain every line. Creating your training data. Our dataset contains height in centimeters, weight in kgs, and fitness label. This is called training data. The model learns patterns from this data. Building your kNN classifier. Here we create the kNN model and choose k is equal to 3. That means the model will look at the 3 nearest people before deciding. Making your first prediction. We give a new person's height and weight. The model compares it with nearby people and predicts fit or not fit. Understanding model accuracy. Accuracy tells us how often the model is correct. Higher accuracy is equal to better learning. Try different values of k. Choosing k is important. K is equal to 1 implies very sensitive. K is equal to 3 implies balanced. K is equal to 7 implies smoother results. We experiment to find the best value. Next steps in your journey. You can improve this project by adding more data, adding age, BMI, exercise, and also visualizing results. Now, let's move into hands-on coding. We will have a full hands-on coding session now with every line explained step by step. So access your Google Colab and start coding with me. Alright, So here we have step 1, that is to import libraries. This line here imports NumPy, which helps us work with numbers and arrays. This second line here imports kNeighbors classifier, which is a ready-made kNN algorithm from Scikit-learn. We don't build kNN from scratch, we use this trusted library. So click the play button and wait until the code snippet to be successfully executed. Successfully executed. Step 2 is to create a training data. Here we create xtrain, which stores the input features. Each row here, we have a total of 5 rows. Each row here is one person. First number, this 170, this is the height, and second number, that is 65, is the weight. That is what the model will look at. So press the play button, execute it. This is ytrain, the output labels. Each label here tells whether the person is fit or not fit. So xtrain indicates input, and ytrain indicates the output. Let us click the play button. Execute it. Step 3 is to create a kNN model. This line here creates the kNN model. This model will check 3 nearest neighbors before deciding. So let us click this play button. Execute it. Step 4 is to train the model. This is where learning happens. The model studies the height, weight, and fitness labels. Now the model is trained and ready. So let us click the play button. So the model is trained. This model studies the height, weight, as well as the fitness labels. Now we are ready to make predictions. This is a new person, x_test 165 and 60. This is a new person with height is equal to 165 centimeter and weight is equal to 60 kg. The model has never seen this data before. So let us click or feed this data. Next step, this line here asks the model, based on neighbors, is this person fit or not fit? So the model checks the distances, votes, and gives us the result. So click the play button. So the predicted answer is fit, indicating that the person with height 165 centimeter and weight 60 kgs is a fit person. Let us check the accuracy. This imports a tool to calculate the accuracy. So click this. Now this checks how well the model learned from the training data. Accuracy shows the percentage correctness. So let us click this play button. So accuracy shows 100%. So that means 100% accuracy indicates we are completely correct. So this is being checked on how well the model has learned from our training data. Now here we experiment with different k values. This helps us understand how k affects predictions. So you can try with different k values and then you can predict the same to see how well your model predicts. So if you understood this project, give this video a like. Share it with your friends learning machine learning and subscribe to to Corporate Connection for more beginner friendly projects. And also don't forget, we go live every Friday at 6:30 p.m. Meeting link is in the description and pinned comment. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video. And yes, do not forget to subscribe to Corporate Connection. Thank you. Have a great evening.